Hello, Health Tips family. Are you ready to take charge of your health? Today, we are uncovering the secrets of 15 powerhouse foods that can help you manage diabetes like a pro. Stick around because these tips could change your life. Being diagnosed with diabetes doesn't mean you have to give up all your favorite foods. In fact, living with diabetes can become easier if you know how to select and balance your food intake. It's crucial to understand how different foods affect your blood sugar levels and learn how to adjust them to meet your individual needs. Carbohydrates, whether sugars or starches, impact blood sugar levels. However, managing diabetes doesn't necessarily mean eliminating them completely from your diet. Instead, it's essential to monitor and measure your carbohydrate intake each meal to ensure it aligns with nutritional guidance from experts. Join me as we discover the 15 best foods for managing diabetes. 1. Fatty fish. In a world teeming with dietary choices and health advice, one truth remains clear: fatty fish stands out as one of the healthiest foods on the planet, known for their rich content of omega-3 fatty acids. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are champions in cardiovascular wellness, offering a plethora of benefits for the heart and beyond. Omega 3 fatty acids, primarily EPA and DHA, are more than just heart health heroes. They play a crucial role in protecting the vascular lining, reducing inflammation, and enhancing arterial function. This makes fatty fish particularly significant for individuals with diabetes who face a higher risk of metabolic heart diseases and strokes. Regular consumption of these nutrients is essential not just as a preventive measure but as a proactive approach to maintaining cardiovascular health. Beyond heart health, omega 3 is broader benefits, but the benefits of omega 3 fatty acids extend beyond the heart. They contribute to cognitive function, joint health, and overall inflammation reduction for everyone, not just those managing diabetes. These fatty acids are essential building blocks for a healthy body and mind. The American Diabetes Association underscores the importance of including unsaturated fats in the diet to improve blood sugar and lipid profiles. Embracing a diet rich in unsaturated fats from fatty fish can lead to better health outcomes and reduced risk of chronic illnesses, while salmon, herring, and anchovies top the list of omega-3 rich fish. There are plenty of plant-based alternatives like seaweed, algae, and flax seeds that offer similar benefits. Whether you are a meat eater, vegetarian, or somewhere in between, incorporating these sources into your diet is straightforward and beneficial to maximize the health benefits. It's advisable to prepare fatty fish using methods that retain their nutritional content and minimize unhealthy fats. Grilling, baking, or steaming fish instead of frying ensures that you get the maximum omega 3 benefits without the downsides of added fats. Pairing fish with a variety of vegetables can create a nutrient-packed meal that satisfies taste and health alike. To leafy greens. Leafy greens are not just a health trend, they are powerhouses of vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients that pack a punch with minimal calories and carbohydrates. This unique combination makes them an ideal choice for managing blood sugar levels and enhancing overall health. Leafy vegetables such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are among the most nutrient-dense foods available. They are low in digestible calories and carbs, which means they have little impact on blood sugar levels. significant benefit for those managing diabetes. These greens are rich sources of potassium, vitamin A, vitamin C, and calcium, delivering a substantial nutritional boost from entirely plant based sources. Additionally, they provide ample protein and fiber, which can help keep you feeling full and satisfied longer. Researchers have found that the high antioxidant content and starch digesting enzymes in leafy greens can be particularly beneficial for diabetic etics. These natural compounds help combat